We are on the product landing page of Shein here, and the product is foam wash for smooth skin. On any D2C landing page, the most important element of a landing page is its call to action. It can be a buy now or it can be an add to cart. To make it even more prominent and to convince the website visitor to make a purchase, there is something that we can do here in this case. Okay, let me showcase that. So I'm going to a section through which I can pick up a template. So there are default templates. Let me pick up this one which showcases the product short highlights. Okay, now I'm clicking at the place where I want to add this template. Add above, done. The landing, I added a new section which is showcasing that the features of the product which can actually convince the website visitor to make a purchase. So this is the feature box. In fact, we can edit it. Like so, I clicked on edit. Let me also get some AI sessions. Yeah, fine line eraser or youthful skin enhancer or anti-aging solution. Let me pick up this one. Done. That's it. Now you can click on save and you can just go on finalize and edit. That way your landing page will be ready. I had done that in less than a minute. If you also want to do the same on your landing page, just let me know. Thank you.